Today we're going to learn how to solve systems of linear equations, and we're going to do it by using the elimination method, which we already did in this chapter, but we need to do it 3 times in this problem. What you're going to do is try to figure out what letter you want to eliminate, and it doesn't matter which one you eliminate, but you need to stick with the same letter. I'm going to do these two first, and I'm going to work with eliminating my y's. So I'm going to copy down the first equation, and I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2. So I have 4x plus 2y plus 6z equals 0. When I draw my line and I add, my y should cancel out. So I have 9x plus 7z equals 11. Okay, now I have to do it to 2 more equations. It doesn't matter. I did the first 2. I can do the first and the third, or I can do the second and the third. And I'm going to stick with my second and third. Again, you have to stick with the same letter. I'm going to stick with the y's. So I'm going to multiply my middle one by 2. So it's 4x plus 2y plus 6z equals 0. And then I'm going to copy down my last one exactly the way it is. Draw my line, add, and I'm going to get 10x plus 4z equals 0. As you can see, I eliminated the y's on both of them. So now I need to combine these 2 equations, this one right here, and this one right here. I need to eliminate another letter, and I'm going to eliminate my z's. So I'm going to multiply this one by 4, and I'm going to multiply this one by -7, so that I have a 28 in front of my z's so that they cancel out. So I'm going to have a 36x plus 28z equals 44. That's when I multiplied all those by 4. And I'm going to multiply the red one by a -7, so that's a -70x minus 28z equals a -112. Draw my line. I get a -34x equals a -68, so x equals 2. And then you go back up into any one of these, this one, this one, this one, or this one to find my z, and I'm going to get z equals a -1. I'll show you. I'm going to just bring it back up here. It's 10 times 2 plus 4 times z equals 0. 20 equals 4z. 20 equals a -4z. So z is going to equal, I made a mistake, sorry. Go back one more time. If x equals 2, and I already told you that z equals a -1, let's go back over here really quick. 9 times 2 plus 7z equals 11. 18 plus 7z equals 11. 7z equals a -7, so z equals a -1. Y equals a -1. So all you do is you go back up into any one of those. I see my problem. Forget it. I want to make sure that I didn't make a mistake. This was supposed to have been a 16, and this was supposed to have been a 16, and then it would have worked out. I was wondering what was going on. So, okay, anyway, that's why 16 times a -7 would give you the -12. That's all we're doing today.